the cyclone shelters. But we found that women don't come. Why? Because they do not want to leave the goats and cows behind. If the cyclone shelters had these facilities, then they would have come. So even the cyclone shelters are not being effective because it does not include, it's not integrated. So I think it's high time to talk about whole of government approach to the climate issue. It's not one ministry issue, it is really a whole of government issue, and also I think we have to take on some ministries, particularly the Ministry of Human Affairs, Ministry of Health, Disaster, and also, of course, the livestock and fisheries. I'm glad that we could come. My colleague Shaina Firdausi is also here from the ministry, and every day we are saying that we are learning and that we would like to coordinate within the country, and I will go back and will really discuss with the Ministry of Environment and Climate Change, and also with the government as a whole, that we need to change our approach, otherwise we will not be able to do that. Having said that, I think we definitely are working on a lot of projects that needs, the climate change aspect. We submit, like from the fisheries and livestock, we submit proposals to the Ministry of Environment on some climate mitigation or adaptation program. But those are so limited that it does not have a huge impact on what is going on. So I really thank ICCAD and also Sakib very much, that you invited me, and I'm honored. And I thank you all because I learned a lot from all of you.